The Primary Trauma Care Foundation. We're committed to life-saving action. Nearly 6 million people are killed by injuries every year. That's more than HIV/AIDS, malaria and TB combined. Around 40 million disabilities result from injury yearly, and the worldwide economic impact of this is enormous. Over 90% of these injuries happen in low and middle income countries, where access to medical care is limited. Sadly, most victims are children and young adults. We can do something about this by improving care for the injured, simply by sharing knowledge.
I'm Steffi Hemelaar, medical doctor from the Netherlands, and I love the PTC because it gives me a method to help and train all the front staff in casualty, and they are so self-confident in the end of the course.
Since 1996, the Primary Trauma Care Foundation has been providing training to health workers worldwide.
The best part of the training was a primary survey, doing it in sequence from A, B, C, D, E.
I think if I follow the A, B, C, D, E, I'll be able to come up with a good diagnosis. I'll be able to manage the patient and refer the patient out.
We've developed an effective, low-cost way to help treat severe injuries with limited resources using volunteers. We like to think of it as giving ordinary people the superpowers to save lives.
The healing will be good, it will be fast, with no complications.
The precious knowledge we give them is then grown by a well-developed system of training trainers, creating a network of people who can pass the training on. This makes sure our life-saving knowledge spreads to where it's most needed. The Primary Trauma Care Foundation uses the power of education to save lives and limbs in more than 70 countries. Our course aims to train doctors, nurses, paramedics and other clinical personnel free of charge to treat life-threatening injuries with only basic equipment and the facilities available to them. Every day, the people we train save lives. By donating to the Primary Trauma Care Foundation, you will too.
PTC saves lives. I have used it. I'm a research nurse. I have saved a life because of PTC.
Be part of this life-saving action with the Primary Trauma Care Foundation. For more information, visit primarytraumacare.org.